Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, sometimes you get confused. You don't know how to book IELTS test. I have seen some students who appeared in IELTS academic and later on they realized that they needed IELTS academic UKVI, and as a result they had to appear in IELTS test again. And then there are some formalities. You got to fill out some forms and give your details. What are the dates, whether the dates are available or not, in which city, which date is available. So we come up with all this information. What we are going to do, we are going to provide you IELTS exam booking service absolutely free of cost. I mean, there are no service charges. The fee you pay to your exam center, we will charge the same amount and we will book your test on your behalf. Your test center, city, wherever you want to book your test, date, why you want to book IELTS exam, UKVI and other. You don't have to worry about it. While staying home, you can get your IELTS test booked. And not only this, the benefit is if you get your IELTS exam booked, and this service is only for Pakistan, okay, just in Pakistan. If you get your IELTS exam booked through us, we will provide you IELTS preparation pack, and that IELTS preparation pack is going to actually equip you with all the details which you need to appear in IELTS exam and get your desired band. So it's all very simple. This is the number. You can contact on this number and you can book your IELTS exam. All the best guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS PTE online on campus. If you wish to be the part of my online on campus PTE or IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best and best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.